All right, so this is something new for the acoustic letter. Paul invited us out to this beautiful cabin. You know, we're just having a kind of a team building work retreat thing. But key to any successful team building enterprise is a good beverage, a good cocktail. And this is one that I very much enjoy. And I'm going to make one for you. I'm going to show you how to make it if you enjoy it. And so this will be the opportunity to, if you have a favorite cocktail or favorite beverage, leave a comment. Try this one if you like. I think you might find it enjoyable.
I'm intrigued here.
This is...
And I thank you guys, Quinton, Dustin. We were talking about campfire songs, and I was like, you know what? We got to go camping. And it would just so happen everyone had the weekend and we could do it. And so we're here at this cool little cabin, and we're going to just camp, and we got a campfire going later. And tell me what you got here.
Yeah, right here. This is well, first
about.
I just say that, before I play, sometimes when I play, sometimes it's nice to have just a little lubricant for your playing, for your vocals, whatever.
Right.
We got a vehicle driving by because we're on the path to the Forest Service land, so you may hear some slight vehicle traffic. But this is, I always say I sound better when the audience is intoxicated, and so this is, if you have a small group and you want to play for them and you want them to really appreciate your music, you can start by having them appreciate your beverages. So this one is called, it's a variation on a cocktail called The Last Word. And it's equal parts in this variant of a whiskey. We got a rye bullet right here, which is one of my favorites. Luxardo Maraschino Cherry Liqueur. And green chartreuse, which is made by the Chartreusian monks of France. This is it's been around for a long time. Was it 1605 is when they came up with this recipe for this very strong 55% by volume alcohol. So this is the kicker.
It smells real good. I noticed that.
Yeah, it does smell real good. And so this cocktail is super easy. It's 4 equal parts, approximately 1 ounce each, and we're going to start by
here. You want me to be your little cutter?
Jumping in. Yeah, all I need you to do is slice 2 lemons in half, and then hand me the halves, and I'm going to juice them.
I can do that. You need some ice in those cups?
Not yet, not in the cups. We're gonna mix it up first. All right. So first step here is we're just gonna squeeze the snot out of these guys. And then I'm going to put them back on the tray. I want to get all the juice because this is going to be the bite of the drink.
I've known you a long time, and I just didn't know you were such a
mixologist.
Mixologist, yeah.
Thank you. No, I'm not. Actually, I'm not. But this is, I think it's important. There's a couple skills everybody should have, especially if you're a man. You need to be able to tie a tie. You need to be able to parallel park.
And grill a steak.
Grill a steak, and I think you need to have at least one decent cocktail under your belt. Not everybody. I mean, there are many reasons why some people choose not to imbibe, but if you are amongst the camp that does imbibe, I think it's always a good idea to have 1 or 2 good cocktails. So actually, I've got about 2 ounces of here. I'm doubling the recipe. So from this point, we're going to add 2 ounces each of the remaining 3 ingredients. So we'll start with the green chartreuse.
And I will grill you a steak tonight, too.
I know, that's totally fair trade. All right, so we got about 2 ounces of green chartreuse going in the hopper. I'll let you cap that for me.
Chartreuse.
Yes, sir. This is 2 ounces, again, doubling the recipe of Luxardo Maraschino Cherry Liqueur. And this stuff is pretty sweet. So I'm going to drop that in.
All right.
Thank you, sir. And then 2 ounces of your base liquor, which in our case is whiskey. Now, the original Last Word, instead of using lemons, it was limes, and instead of whiskey, it was gin. So we modified it. So last component, Paul, if you will, I just need like a nice scoop of ice. Gently plopped in there.
My hands are really dirty, so
that's
I'm
all
gonna
right.
use this to put the ice in.
If you want to, that's fine. Look at you, being all pseudo-sanitary. Perfect. Just add that.
More?
All right. Nope. Perfect. And then we're going to shake this up. Okay. All right. And then we shake it up, and I'll just give you guys each a
it's
little
like martini style.
Little squirt there.
Not on ice. No.
Because you might not like it. No, not on ice. And this one will be for me.
I'm sure I'll like it. I just, you know.
All right. Tell me what you think. Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's good.
Yep.
That's real good.
It's not bad. And it will kick you in the pants.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to be very careful of.
Yeah. Be cautious.
I'm getting a lot smarter
Judicious.
in my old age.
in your
Yeah,
seniority
I know how to enjoy a wonderful cocktail
without wrecking yourself.
without
Yeah.
you know, those days are long gone.
No. When I was about 30 and hangover started lasting for days,
Yeah.
you know, it wasn't just the next day, but the day after was also shot. Then I thought, you know, I don't have to do this to myself anymore. I can just enjoy a little bit
Here,
here and there.
Dustin, you got to try that.
For Dustin as well, behind the camera.
Yep.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And so this is the variant on the last word.
So what do you call it? That's the.
I just call it the you know, kind of a last word as well, or a variant. We might call it the French tart,
Yeah. It's very
given
Frenchy.
the French origin
Yeah.
of the chartreuse. And
monks actually make that. Huh?
they do. It's good stuff.
Okay. Well,
Anyway, so hey, hope you enjoyed this cocktail recipe. Give it a shot if you want, but please leave a comment. What's your favorite drink? I like one of these before I perform,
yeah.
or at least around a campfire.
Yeah. I'm with you. I would do, you know, I like one before I perform, and then maybe one in the middle,
I was gonna say one per song,
and then one in the end.
one in each song.
Well, in the
Yeah.
old days, yeah. But now, I'd say, you know, one in the beginning, one in the middle, one in the end.
Yeah, just something.
Just something. You still
You know,
got to,
especially if
you
you're
still gotta
singing,
get
it's
home
good
and-
for
yeah.
you know, keeps your throat dry.
Well,
Well,
Quentin,
anyway, that's it from
Love
Paul's
it.
cabin out in the wilds of Montana. Cheers.
Cheers.
The last word, French tart. We'll see you guys next time.